Alright everyone, this is it, the part you've all been waiting for. We're about to start off with Module 1, where I will be giving you a quick tour of the Ableton Live interface, just to help you get familiar with it and also to find out where all of the various elements are. Now, the initial learning curve can be a little steep at times, but do not worry. If you do not understand everything straight away, things will start to make sense as we progress throughout all of the tutorials within this course, especially once you start watching it the second time round, as I suggested in an earlier video. Now, I will be referring to the Ableton Live manual quite a few times within the next module at least, and you can find the Ableton manual at ableton.com. But just so you're aware, you do not have to read the online manual at all, because I'll be showing you the various parts that I feel are important on screen as we go through the tutorials. But if you do want to become an Ableton ninja, I would definitely suggest reading it. And that's it. Let's get to work, and I'll see you in the next video.